Hello traders, welcome back to my YouTube channel Freedom with Forex. Today I'm back with another video. In this video I will show you how you can turn a small investment into big return in a short time. Before I get into that, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. Okay, you done that? Good, thank you. Okay, so without further ado, let's get into it. So in this account, as you can see, this track record is verified. The trading privilege is verified. My broker is IC Market. I use MetaTrader 4 manual trading, and my leverage is 1/25, which is not a lot. The initial deposit was $2,000. Even though total deposit is showing here $7,000, but I started with $2,000. So I started in 2018 in February. At that point, my profit amount is $12,369, and I moved on $4,500, and the balance is at the moment is $14,846. Okay, the average gain is 176%. So I have gained 176% from the original deposit. And as you can see, the graph looking pretty good. It's going up gradually, nice and slowly. The periods of the return of the investment, as you can see, this year return is 84%. And the profit amount is 7,300. In terms of return, I would probably say these things. When I do my forex trading, my goal is to make 40 to 50% a year. That's my goal to return on my initial investment, 40 to 50% a year. Now you might say that's a very small return in forex market, right? Because most of the trader you see out there, they make 50% return a month. But my goal is to return 50% a year. And I understand that a lot of people does it in forex market. No problem. If you can make 100% return a month, good on you. Keep doing it. But make sure you don't end up losing all of your money, right? Because that is the most of the cases, you end up blowing up your account. So what is my goal is not to lose money, not to blow out my account, and return a consistent 40 to 50% a year. And if you can do that in a consistent basis over a long period of time, I think you would be one of the greatest investor in the world. Because if you look at 10 years, 15 years, 20 years time period, returning 40% a year, that is a monumental task. That is not easy to do. The greatest investor in the world is Warren Buffett. His average return is 20% last 30-40 years, and he's worth more than $100 billion. So someone like Warren Buffett is returning 20%, and if I can get return like 10%, I'm happy as, right? But my initial target at the moment is 50% a year, and also to build up the capital. Okay, that's the goal. So let's have a look at the advanced statistics. The profitability of this from this account is the 98%. So one trade is chance of win is 98%, and the pips is generated is about 30,000 pips so far. Okay. What else from these sections? Oh, the expectancy is $220 or 539 pips from per trade. That's a lot of pips from one single trade. compared to the dollar figure because my lot size is rather small. Okay. In the summary, you will see a lot of currencies I trade. I trade about 30 pairs of currencies in forex market. Unlike other people, they only trade a couple of pairs, like only majors. But I trade 30 pairs of currencies. These are the total profit figure from individual currency pair. The most amount of money I think I gained was from gold, $3,271 from 9 trade. The next figure was, I think, from Euro New Zealand, $2,219, and after that 1,600 from US dollar and Canadian dollar, and then rest of them are average. Okay, so in this section you will see that money I deposited $2,000 back in 2018 in February, and I made $279 from Euro CAD, and I withdrew $343. Third page, I have withdrawn again $450, made another 138, 163, withdrawn 2,064. So basically by this time I made I think about $1,100 from $2,000 up until this point. From initial deposit from 2,000, as you saw before, that initial deposit $2,000, I made about $1,100 from that, and I withdrew $2,000. So basically I took all my capital out and some profit as well. And that was within, I think, 3 months. So a deposit in February, this is March. Oh, sorry, what is it? May, that's May. So within 3 months I made about 50%. And then I wanted to take this account to next level, so I deposited $5,000. Okay, and then my lot size, you will see a couple of bigger lot size. So Euro New Zealand 0.40. From one trade I made $1,586. From gold 0.40 again, $1,700. Nice little trade. Euro USD yen 0.10 lot, $547. So a couple of trade of really good trade, and that jump started my account, right? And then this was a good trade as well. USD CAD 0.25 lot size, $1,188. That was in December 2018. So that account has been running almost 8 months. And then after that you will see not a lot of bigger lot size, rather small lot size. This one was a 0.10, $380. 0.05 from gold, $373. Right. Last page of the history. This page, I don't think I have gained a lot of dollar figure. Rather $238 from gold again, few $100 here and there. But again, it all adding up, right? $251 from pound CAD, a lot of pound here. I bought a lot of pound. $260 from pound yen, pound USD $225, and then I withdraw 1,400. So basically I end up withdrawing 4,500. My total deposit is 7,000. So I do have a bit of money still left in the account, my capital. It's because I want to build up the total balance, total equity. I don't want to keep withdrawing money. And then this is the monthly return. February was 0%. In April 17%. May was really good return, 37%. And then November. So you see a couple of months in between, no return at all, because I did not trade much. I was waiting for the good opportunity. November 31%, December 34%. So even though I wasn't trading in between, and it's still, you see, if you do the maths, there's a lot of, what is it, 30, 60, that's what, 90, so it's all close to more than 100% return in the first 1 year. Okay, 2019, this year, January was really good, 26%, biggest so far in this year, and we are end of the year now. We're in November. October 10%, June 10%, and other months were a little bit small. Okay, so all in all, the average gain from this account 176%, and my initial goal was to make 50% a year, so I'm well above my target. So that was the total scenario from this account, and my goal is long-term goal, not 1 month, 3 months goal, from 12 months to 2 years goal, consistent return from a small amount of money. So that's it. I don't want to make this video too long. If you have any questions, any comments, please leave it below. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, and give this video a like. Okay, and I'll catch you on the next video. Bye for now.